You've been on Smule for quite a while now, and you've been grinding, singing every day, and still couldn't gain any new followers. So now your question is, what am I doing wrong? First thing is, you don't choose popular songs. It does a lot more for you if you choose trending songs than if you choose one that barely anyone knows. So make sure to check out the trending tab and choose any song from that list. Second mistake, you don't necessarily have to sing with video, but it would definitely boost your joins and it would feel more personal to the people that are singing with you. That way you're more likely to get more comments and maybe even be chosen for Duet of the Week. And that leads me to my next point. Mistake number 3, sign up for Duet of the Week whenever you have the possibility or open an OC. Or look out for OCs by other people that have put the hashtag in the description. But if you want to open the OC, you just have to put hashtag Duet of the Week in your description and it's going to be more easy for other people to find you. So basically your OC gets more exposure and people are more likely to join it. And if you're a bit lucky, you'll be featured by Smule and you're going to pop up on the screen for everybody to see on the app. Mistake number 4, too exaggerated effects on your voice. When you choose a style, make sure you have a natural sounding voice effects. So don't choose any style that changes your voice drastically, like for example pop effects. The more natural your voice sounds, with maybe slightly some reverb on it, the better will be the result. My personal suggestions are Super Studio or Polish. Okay, so the 5th and most common mistake is that your sound quality is not very good. There are okay headphones and microphones for Smule, but mostly you should check out the video I made not too long ago on how to find the right headphones for you. Also regarding sound quality, you should make sure that you sing in a quiet environment. People don't like hearing huge echoes or car noises in the background. Okay, and here's the bonus. Mistake number 6. You haven't watched my other videos on how to sound better or how to gain more followers.